Gents and ladies, I'm gonna play a video and I'm gonna come back.
I'm just trying to get to know you.
If you're trying to get to know me, you gotta pay my rent, help me pay child support. I got 3 baby mamas and 5 kids. When the new Jordans come out, you gotta cop. You gotta cook 5-star meals every day, all day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a late night snack. You need to line up every week to stay fresh. And when a new 2K drop, you gotta cop.
What?
If you wanna be with me.
That's a lot.
You giving me DCE.
DCE, what is that?
Dry, coochie, energy. Yeah.
What?
Uh-huh. You can't do all that. I can't really talk to you.
A lot. That's ridiculous.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, then I can't rock with you then. I can't do it.
Serious?
I can't talk to you. If you can't do all that, I can't do it. You ain't for me. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm for the league.
For you 21% of women that watch my content, do y'all see how ignorant that brother sounds? Do y'all see how stupid that brother sounds? Guess what? That's how women look today. They look that stupid, just as stupid as that brother looked. That's how majority of you women look. Y'all look like clowns. Y'all look like idiots. And that is why I am so tired. A lot of women that look like me, that get on podcasts or on social media, make stupid videos or go on podcasts and say dumb shit like this.
You're not getting in my panties without you coming out the pocket, period.
See, that's crazy.
And it's not even a case where I call it selling. See?
What is it then?
No, because I'm not going to say pay me and I'm going to give you.
Ask for something. That's the same thing.
No, it's not.
Okay, explain.
You have to do it with class.
Right.
Doing it with class. So I'm going to ask you for something.
Right.
If you don't give it to me, you don't provide it, I don't want to talk to you.
Now, what is the difference from her and an escort or a hooker? What is the difference? There is no difference because it's transactional. There's no feeling, there's no emotion, there's no attachment, there's no nothing. It's just strictly pay me this, give me this, then I give you the box. That's transactional. That is transactional, my brothers and sisters.
Fellas, a lot of these women out here like what you do for them, but she don't really like you. She don't really love you. She don't really like you. She not attracted to you. She don't really care for you. She like the illusion of you. She like the benefits of you. She like the feeling of you. She like the way that society sets her apart and it makes her look like she's made the right choice. She like that part of you, but she don't really like you. That's why she can't kiss you. She can't hug you. She can't love you. She don't want you. She don't want to suck you. She don't want to show up in public with you. She don't want you around her family. She don't want to take pictures with you. Because she don't genuinely like you. Attractive or not. She just don't genuinely like you. And it's kind of your fault. It's kind of your fault because you just keep showing up. You just keep on doing it. You just keep trying to prove to her, you're fucking goofy. You're fucking goofy. And you're not taking the signs. You're not taking a hint. That girl don't love you. She just like the illusion of you. She like the idea of what you can do, of what you do. It ain't you. It's the stuff.
Hello, welcome to Reactions and Reviews. I'm your humble host, Eze. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the show. Now, I want to give a shout out to our good brother, Alvin, for sending today's clip. After I play the clip, I'm going to come back and end it with my thoughts. Let's get to it.
A lot of women say they want a good man, and if you are a good woman, you deserve a good man. Let's be very clear about that. But something that you have to understand, ladies, about having a good man is that women feed relationships. And let me break that down for you. A woman's presence, a woman's words will make or break a man who is in love with her. If you have a man that truly cares about you and truly values you, there's nothing in this world that you can want. There's nothing in this world that you can desire that he will not make possible for you, or at least do everything in his power to ensure that he can make it possible for you. Because men are naturally providers. And it's not just financially. It's in all ways that make sense for your betterment and the betterment of your family and your relationship. But something you have to understand, ladies, is that y'all are the one that plants the seeds in the relationship. And let me explain what I mean by that. A man can give you a seed, and I mean an actual seed like a plant, not like, to birth a baby. And that seed can be an idea that's going to take your lives to the next level. And you can do one or two things with that seed. You can either water it and make it grow, or you can do absolutely nothing with it and it dries out. Do y'all get where I'm going with this? So essentially, the impact and the influence that you have on a relationship will make or break it. You can turn that man and yourself and your family into multimillionaires, or you can help lead him into poverty. You can be that backbone in creating a healthy and stable foundation for your man and yourself and your family, or you can be the backbone in tearing down the structure of your home. Women are extremely powerful, but a lot of y'all don't realize that. And the moment you realize that and have good intentions for your power, watch yourself, watch your man, watch your family become unstoppable. Stay safe.
May God continue to bless this sister. Okay? Because this sister right here knows the importance and how powerful a woman can be a blessing to a brother or can be a nightmare and its downfall. She understands it. And I dare anybody, a man or a woman, to point out where she lied, where she made a false statement. Everything she said is the truth. But that's the problem. That is the problem. Women that look like me refuse to think like her. If you made it this far, hit that like button and leave a comment to trigger YouTube's algorithm. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to let you know every time I upload a new video.
Anytime in life when I was financially struggling, going through mental health issues, not doing so well in life, not happy with my current circumstances, when I looked around, it was the wrong woman in my life. Didn't realize it at the time because my emotions was too high. Didn't realize it at the time because I was allowing my emotions to cloud my judgment. But every single time when I was broke, financially, mentally, and spiritually, I had the wrong woman in my life. Like, bro, you need to keep a sharp observation of the woman that's in your life, because the wrong woman can be your greatest downfall. It says it in the Bible that the wrong woman can be like decay to a man's bones. Free game.
The things that a man require in order to feel safe and at peace with a woman, very simple, very free. But the things that a woman require in order to feel safe and at peace with a man, very demanding, very expensive. What we need our men to sustain is harder to accomplish than us just being who we are supposed to be, the woman, the backbone, the rib. In every successful relationship that I've studied, the woman's attitude is what mattered the most.
My dear sisters, I want to tell you ladies something. Listen to me. Listen to me very carefully. You see, there's no man on this earth, not one, even your hood dudes, your pookies, your ray-rays, there's no man on this earth that doesn't want to take care of his woman. Now here's the problem. When that woman is not worth his time, when that woman is not doing what she's supposed to do, when that woman is not adding to his life, when that woman is not uplifting him, when that woman is not inspiring him, when that woman is not motivating him to be a better man, then that dude will do less. He will do less. I challenge any man to prove me wrong. Do you understand what I'm saying? The reason why a lot of women always claim, I did this to this man, he never did this to me, I gave this man 5 years, he didn't do this, is because that man didn't care about you. That is the bottom line. And now, let's don't get it twisted. I'm not saying the man should be a simp or a trick. No, that's a difference. I can show you how I feel about you without spending a dime. Without spending a dime. You see, it's the little things that will let you know, damn, this man likes me. When you are with a man that like you, when you are with a man that wants to take care of you, ladies, I swear to you, you never have to open your mouth, never have to open your mouth and ask that man for $1, because you bring so much value in his life. He will take care of you without you asking. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's real talk. So, the bottom line, my dear sisters, be an inspiration to your man. Be a helper to your man. Be encouraging to your man. Become irreplaceable to your man. And I promise you, that man will give you the moon. Now, what do you guys think? Do you agree or do you disagree? Either way, leave your comments below so we can start this conversation. Until the next video, stay safe in the streets. Later. That will wrap it up for today's episode. And thank you for joining me. So please, leave a comment below. If you agree, if you disagree, it doesn't matter. Leave the comment below. And also, you tell me what you want me to cover. You tell me what you want me to discuss and what you want me to react to. Okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you on the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's rebuild the Black nuclear family. It is needed. Okay? God bless.